Hi guys, I am the Filipino fake teacher. And I will walk na and pupunta na ako sa aking classroom. And ito yung susi. Kunyari lang guys And ayan. Diyan natin ilalagay yung susi. Isa sa Macy. Okay. Okay na daw. Nabukas na daw. And I will scan dito. I-scan ko. Toot. And fingerprint. Toot. It's done na. And this is my bedroom. And kasi sanay ako ng English. Tsaka, bubuksan na natin tong lights sa table ko. And tatabi ko to guys. Yung una ay yung card. And next ay yung susi. Class time na daw guys. And yung check natin ay English. And kasi English yung subject ko pero nagtatagalog ako, okay? Kasi pag English naman medyo nahihirapan ako pag nagsasalita. Ayan Pag who is perfect, I will give 1 pieces of Kurumi Lomo cards. Ayan Yan. And I will check na. First one is rug, or rub or run. Yung na-circle niya ay rug. Correct. And check 1 point. Pop, up, or cup. The true answer is cup. Okay, nabilugo niya guys yung cup. And ikakat ko na lang kasi konti na lang yung video. And sasabihin ko na lang pag perfect siya or tapos na. And she has a perfect score. And ilalagay ko to sa book niya. Heart sticker. But yung sticker na heart failed. And itong square na lang.